Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel, for coming back to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for supporting the channel. This is your soulmate love reading. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, in this video, I'm going to give you some more messages which I did not able to give you in previous videos because it was already half an hour. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, so let's start your reading. I will use the grace cards. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck. What are the messages from this deck? And today's reading is very powerful as always, but this was very powerful today, Aquarius. You can have a look on your main reading too. Okay, I have already posted it, and I have already posted your extended love reading. Okay, so let's start your messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius from all over the world? Please help me out. See what I'm getting. It's so beautiful. Partnership. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius. Soulmate. I was getting the word soulmate. Okay, so let's see what are the messages, because this is your soulmate reading. So let's start your reading. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Watch. Let me adjust myself once. Okay, first message is watch. Watch for a miracle. Watch for a miracle. Coincidence are divinely inspired moments designed to remind us that a higher divine power is guiding our lives. Wow. Let's see what are the messages. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Gratitude is the message. Second message is gratitude. Be thankful. A grateful heart is like a magnet drawing towards a wealth of abundance. Okay, so next message is strength. Strength is the next message. Face your fear. Every challenge is a blessing in disguise, a gift that makes us stronger and more conscious and ultimately more alive. Wow, very important message, Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay, direction is your next message. Look for clues. Grace will lead us to the exact events and experience which we need at precisely the right timing. Quiet. Turn off the noise. Silence nourishes the body, mind, and the spirit. Act. Charge forward. When we combine action with the unwavering faith, the power of grace will meet our needs. Dance is the message. When we ask for guidance, take actions, and put our faith in an outcome we cannot yet see, we have begun to dance with grace. Any other message which I need to deliver? Please help me, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me to give the best possible messages which I need to give them. And will you believe me or not, Aquarius? What I will get again? What I get again for you? Let me see like this. Partnership. I while shuffling, I told you this message was coming for you while shuffling. Partnership. God speaks to us through people. We are ambassadors of grace for one another. Yes. Partnership is coming towards you, Aquarius. Your divine is waiting for you and it's coming your way for sure. Comfort. Lean back into the arms of grace. Let go and let God. Okay. Next and last message is peace. When we balance silence with activity, we discover true peace of mind. The true peace of mind, the source of all joy and happiness, is the message for you, Aquarius. Okay, thank you so much, Grace Cards, for giving the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let me see what are the messages from Wisdom Oracle. And these are the beautiful, beautiful cards. I love the cards. I love my cards. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Yes. Thank you so much. Please help me, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Help me out to give the best positive messages. Okay, let's start. What are the messages? First message is grace. Grace is the first message. Sorry for the noise in the background. Second is perception. Is the second message. Guardian angels. Yes, you are protected and guided by guardian angel. You do not need to worry about yourself, Aquarius. You are being protected by guardian angel. Okay, any other message? Purity and love both just fall out. Purity and love. Purity and love is there for you. Love. You deserve love, Aquarius. Every single being on this earth deserves love. Okay. So yes, you deserve love and you are getting it now. Abundance. See. Abundance of love, I can say. Purity, the love which is pure and abundant. Wow, you are abundant of everything already and you're getting your abundance. Adventure is waiting for you. Any other message? You're getting your wisdom. You're getting more intuitive than before. Wisdom is the message. Any other message? Okay, it's just flying out. Gentleness. Gentleness is the message. Strength is coming in all decks. Sanctuary is the message for you. Nature is trying to give you some messages. And strength. And in the strength card there is a star too. So star and strength. Wow. You are rising as a star. Any other message which I need to deliver? Any other message which I need to deliver? Freedom. You're getting your freedom back. Wow. And transition is there. You're getting transition period. You're in a transition period. You're getting into butterflies, Aquarius, that I told you in my previous video too. And enchantment. Wow. You're taking, see, expression, patience. Yeah. So these are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from Vintage Wisdom Oracle. And thank you so much, Vintage Wisdom Oracle, for giving beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much. Let's see. What are the messages from the Power of Surrender deck? We need to surrender. What are the messages? I'm going to add 1 or 2 messages from this because I have to do your reading, your soulmate reading. Then its video will be too long. So I'm going to take only 1 or 2 messages. 1 to card. Okay. What are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius which I need to deliver to all Aquarius all over the world? And I was getting the message, surrender to complete healing. Okay, let's see. What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to give the best positive messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Which I need to deliver. Help me out to give the best positive messages. 7 of Wands, surrender, defensiveness. Defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To stay to communicate in more empowered way. Stay centered and hear someone out, then offer a clear, non-defensive response. Is your first message. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Surrender to joy, surrender to attachments, surrender your attachments to result. The formula for success is to do all you can to make things happen and let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to a desired outcome can sabotage it. So surrender your attachments to result. And next is surrender to joy. A key to positive change in your life is to let joy and savor it. Indulge into random acts of smiling during both the hard and easy times. Keep surrendering to more joy. Is the message. So thank you so much. It just fell out. Surrender unhealthy relationships, Aquarius. Release toxic, unhealthy relationships. Let go of relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by positive people. Very important message for you. So let's see what are the affirmations of love. These are beautiful small cards. I'm going to use these for the first time. So let's see what affirmations are there. I like it. I like it. These are the small cute love messages. So let's see what are the affirmations. What are the affirmations which I need to tell to my Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to give the best messages. Okay. Okay, so first is initiative. Step right up. You are being awarded a boost of initiative. This potent portion will give you the gusto you need to move your life into a previous unexplored direction. If you are in a relationship, then it's time to take initiative and make some interesting plans for you and your partner. If you are not in one, it's time to reach out to old friends, go on adventures and potentially meet some new friends. Either way, this is a great journey is beginning with a one small step or one short text or whatever. I'm not the boss of you. Bonus cards. This is the bonus card. So initiative. You need to take some initiative. If you are in a relationship, okay, rest. I take a step away from my stress, then killing, then a deep breath, then a crankiness killing nap. When I get the rest I need, I instantly become a better version of myself, able to navigate complex relationship in a single bound. When I don't, I am not, which means I should not, but I try to, and then we can't, and it doesn't. But I did, so it was not. Good night. Yes, Aquarius, good night then. Rest. Appreciation is the next message. I appreciate the unique ways other people show their love rather than compare their ways with my ways. Then I appreciate myself for mutually putting up with people who just can't seem to show love the normal, obvious, universally accepted way. Good job, both of us. Appreciation and depth. As new people show up in my life, I look for all weird, wonderful, complex layer before their surface. I cannot be surprised by someone's depth of characters unless I'm willing to peel back the outer layers and go a little deeper. It's like a brand new saying goes, don't judge an onion by its haircut. Okay, Aquarius, don't judge an onion by its haircut. Very nice. So these are the messages, affirmations which I got for you. Now let's start your 1 minute. Sorry, I need to adjust myself. Okay. So yeah, let's start your soulmate reading. Let's see what are the messages What is your soulmate thinking about you? What are the messages? What are the feelings, thought they want to tell you? Let's see what are the things which they want to tell you, my Aquarius. What are the messages from the soulmate to my Aquarius? You love me. Okay, two messages. You love me is the first message. Okay. You make me laugh continuously, constantly. Okay, continuously. You make me laugh continuously. What are the messages from the soulmate to my Aquarius? Help me out to deliver all the messages which are important, which their soulmate is trying to give them. Okay. So yeah, too many messages. Okay. You are always ready to help me. This is the message your soulmate wants to tell you, Aquarius. Okay. You hold me tight. They want to tell you that. You are wise and witty. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. You make me a better person. Wow. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you make them a better person. You are very cute and adorable. Wow, Aquarius, your soulmate finds you very cute and adorable. Okay, you listen to me well. Is the next message from your soulmate. You make me smile. They want to tell you that you make them smile. You treat me like a princess. They want to tell you this. Okay, any other message from the soulmate to my Aquarius? Any other message from the soulmate? They find you are the best friend to them, Aquarius. Any other message? Okay. You are my best friend. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you are the best friend, Aquarius. You never let me feel lonely. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. You respect my family. They find that you respect their family. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. You give me enough space. Very important. Space is very much required in a relationship, and you give them enough space. They want to tell you this. You respect everything I like. So these are the messages from your soulmate to you, Aquarius, what they want to tell you, and these are the things which they want to tell you. Okay, so let's see what are the energy from your soulmate sides. What is going in their life? Basically, what is happening in your soulmate life? What is happening in your soulmate life? Let's see. What are the messages for the soulmate? Okay. What are the messages? What is happening in Aquarius soulmate's life? Help me out to give the messages. What is happening in soulmate's life? In your soulmate's life? What are the energies? What are the messages? What are the phases? What is happening? What is going on in their life? Let's see. What are the messages for soulmate justice? Some of you are dealing with Libra, High Priestess, Two of Swords. What are the... Okay. Too many messages. What are the messages from soulmate? What is happening in their life? Okay. Seven of Wands, Seven of Swords, and World. They were having some conflicts too. Seven of Wands, Seven of Swords. But now they are completing a cycle. They are also completing a cycle. Okay. And they are single and abundant. Nine of Pentacles. Your soulmate is single and abundant. They get to know this. There were some conflicts around them. Nine of Wands and Five of Wands and Five of Swords, and they are completing it. The World card is there. What are the messages from what is happening in soulmate's life? Five of Cups, but some of them, yeah, see bottom of the deck, I'm having Devil. They are more focusing on the foreign cups, but they are not looking at the cups which are waiting for them. They are not looking at that. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius soulmate. Okay, too many messages. What are the messages? What is happening in your soulmate life? Basically, I want to know. There's Nine of Wands. They are having sleepless nights. Two of Wands. They are making a decision. What are the messages? What is happening in my Aquarius soulmate life? Wow. Okay, Wheel of Fortune and Ten of Cups. So yes, Ten of Cups is... Wheel of Fortune is moving in their favor, and Ten of Cups is their star card again. New hopes and desires. You are coming in their reading too. New hopes and new desires. Wow, they are going through an ups and downs of emotions. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having Empress, Queen of Cups. See. Let me see. They will be succeeded. Any other message? What is happening in Aquarius soulmate life? Too many messages. No, I'm not going to take it. Help me out to give what is happening in their life. Wow. Okay. They are rising as King of Swords. Who knows the truth? Again, King of Swords energy, air element, Aquarius, Libra or Gemini. Okay, so they know the truth now. They are ready to cut any lies, deceptions, manipulations, people or energy, and they are rising as a Chariot. They know what's right and wrong between the black and white. They know the difference between black and white. Now they are rising as a Chariot, and very beautiful Aquarius. They're getting the sun too, and you were also getting the sun. Sun is their new beginnings, is there in their life too. Let me know. So there was some justice. They are getting the justice in their life. They are guiding. They are also moving ahead by their intuitions. There were some decisions which they were not able to make. They were juggling between two situations, Two of Swords energy, but there were some conflicts around them. But now they are putting an end. They are completing a cycle. These are ending now, and now they are single and abundant in their life. Nine of Pentacles is there, but there were some things where that they were not happy with that thing because of the conflicts, because of the ending, and they were having sleepless nights. See, Five of Cups and Nine of Swords. So they were having sleepless nights. They were feeling very sad, remorse, guilty on fallen cups, but they don't have to. They were more focusing on fallen cups before they were focusing more on fallen cups, but now they are at the crossroads. Either they have made a decision, or they are going to make a decision with the Two of Wands, and Wheel of Fortune is moving towards in their favor. Okay, and now they are getting Ten of Cups. You were also getting Ten of Cups too. They want happy family cards, and this is what they are hoping for, and they're getting the succeed in it. The star card is there. They are wishing for new hopes and desires. They want to achieve their Ten of Cups, and they're getting succeed in it. Okay, they're getting the energy of King of Swords. They know the difference between right and wrong, black and white. They know the truth. They know what is wrong, what is right. This King of Swords will cut immediately. Same as Queen of Swords. You are also rising as Queen of Swords. This is also your soulmate. So they know the truth. Okay, they know any manipulation, deceptive people or energy around them. They will cut immediately. And the Sun card is there for them. So let me explain any other one more thing, that what is. So that was your soulmate reading, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. Let me add the charms for you to close it out. Okay, let me see what are the messages, what are the charms. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius. Okay. Cancer and Libra. Cancer and there is Libra. So they can be the signs which you are dealing with. Okay, Libra is there, Cancer and Aquarius is there. Okay, so there is an owl, that means intuitions, Aquarius, and there is a pair of owl, Aquarius. So yes, you are getting more intuitive now. Okay, and this is in pair, so that means you and your soulmate both are getting more intuitive day by day. And I can tell you one more thing, that there is some things which are in pair. So there are two leaves again in pair. Okay, there is a key, you find a solution to a key, you will find a solution to a key. Key means new beginnings, solutions to the problem, you are having a key. Okay, Aquarius. Then there is a trees also there there are two trees, but one is silver and one is browns. Okay, the color is different, but there are two trees, prosperity, strong foundation. Okay, there is actually three, I can say there are three trees. So one is karmic, one is soulmate, one is this. Okay, so there are three charms. There are three charms. Maybe there are third party situation involvement in your situation. And right now also I can tell you that there are two energies around you in which you are tied up. Okay. Okay, let me put like that way. Put like in that way. Okay, so yeah. So there are three same trees. Okay. So one and these three are the same. So yeah, there are three trees. There is a star, new hopes, new desire for you. Clove is there, clove tree. Good fortune is coming your way. Excuse. There is a leaf too. So yeah, these are the charms for you, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. This was your soulmate reading. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Okay, and I stopped explaining, I did not clarify your soulmate reading because I tried 2, 3, 4 times at least, but it was not clarifying properly. Okay, I was not getting proper messages today for your soulmate. So I tried my level best to explain it, but I was unable to do that. So I stop it. That means I have to stop that reading that way. So I cut my video and I make another video now this time, and I am now going to merge that two videos and going to post it together. So that's the reason I'm not clarifying your soulmate's reading. Okay, so I hope it resonates with you. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till the time, you have to take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.